Hello, this is my coding assignment for week 3, where we were giving multiple objectives to execute with our code. I left comments on my entire code, letting you know what each line of code is for. I mainly used, like, for example, for creating arrays, I mainly iterated through them with a for loop. I set variables starting at 0 to then pass them in with the plus equals in the for loop after they've been iterated. Here I print the average number of letters per name in the array. In the next objective, I have to print the array separated with spaces, and I also use a for loop for that. There was 2 questions. How do I obtain the last element of the array? And that is using the length method. I want to say names dot length would be the array dot the length of the array minus 1, because since arrays are indexed at 0, you always have to do minus 1 to retrieve the last element. And to access the first element, I use console.log, the names array, the name of the array, square brackets, and the 0, which would be the first a value in the array. Again, it's indexed at 0. For the next task, we're asked to create a new array from the same name array we created before. I did that by creating a new array called new name length is equal to the array. I use the spread operator to pretty much just copy that into this new array. I used a for loop, calculated that, and set the name lengths in the positions equal to the names dot length. So you print out, you console log name lengths, and it should print out the array with the number of characters in the name only. So we started using functions. The objective was to concatenate one word 3 times to itself. So I used a function to return with the parameter word dot repeat, and the parameter and the number of times I wanted to repeat. So that should print out 3 times. And that's pretty much it. Here I use an if else statement to return if the sum of the array is greater than 100, print true, and it prints true. You can see all of the okay. I also created my own function to for small businesses to automate a thank you message to all new customers. I set the parameters at names, which would be the customer names listed up here, and the second parameter is shop. I tried my hand at the E6 update that we learned about this week, and used map to iterate through the array instead of using the for loop. It just makes it easier, and I wanted to try it, and it should console log Darian and Jesus, thank you for shopping with us, in their own message line at Black Planet. And yes, that is my week 3 coding assignment. I will post the link to the GitHub in the worksheet, as well as the link to the video on the worksheet. Thank you.